Wincy spider climbed up the garden spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. This one has actually 2 eyes, but probably real life ones actually have 8 eyes.
The spider has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs. 7, 8 legs.
One time I was at football and a big massive spider. It was actually very small. It wasn't. And it came out of my football glove and then she never wore them again. She gave them to me. Out came the sun and dried up all the way. Wincy spider climbed up again.
And sometimes people think spiders are very scary, but they're actually harmless.
And I had a Daddy Longlegs pet, but then he ran away. But I think he died in one of our bathrooms.
The Body Brothers!
Nice digger, Auntie B.
Thanks, Cormac. I'm just trying to get the arm to work. Ah, there we go. Now, what can I do for you?
We want to do a dance about spiders. What can you tell me?
Tell you? I can show you. Meet Mr. Webster.
Wow!
He's a kind of a spider called a tarantula. I'm looking after him for my cousin. He broke his leg and they're going to put a cast on it.
They put spiders' legs in casts.
No, not the spider, my cousin. Una, spiders, please. Showing spiders. Spiders come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny to enormous.
That is big.
As well as having 8 legs, most spiders have 8 eyes.
8 is a lot of eyes.
Hey, I think it's time for a
Brilliant animal fact.
Brilliant Animal Fact!
Did you know the jumping spider can jump 25 times the length of its body? Times.
Brilliant Animal Fact!
Auntie B, what about spider moves?
Well, there's the spider scuttle.
Oh yeah, like this. Why do they scuttle anyway?
Aha! Leave it to me. I'm Auntie B. This is my spider leg model.
What's that blue stuff?
That's the spider's blood.
Spiders have blue blood. I did not know that.
Yes, and wait till you hear this. A spider uses its blood to make its legs move. Watch. Its heart pumps blood into its legs. And that pushes its legs out like this. And then, when it wants to pull its legs back in again, it uses its muscles.
So blood pushes a spider's legs out and muscles pull them back in again.
Correct. And it all happens very quickly, and that's what gives spiders their scuttly movement.
It looks a lot like your digger.
Well, a digger's arm and a spider's leg actually work in kind of the same way. In a digger, this piston uses liquid to push the arm up in the same way that a spider's leg uses blood.
Auntie B,
Yes, Cormac?
I really dig spiders.
The Body Brothers!
Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Gotcha! I love fishing. It's a great way to catch your dinner. Did you know animals have all sorts of ways of catching their dinner? Herons spear fish with their beaks. Bears catch salmon with their teeth. And look at this chameleon catching its dinner with its tongue. Now, do you know what some spiders use to catch their dinner? Spider webs! They trap flies and other insects with them. Hey, would you like to see how a spider makes a web and catches its dinner? Well, I can show you with my sticky glue gun. Spiders make their webs out of something called silk. See how the glue is oozing out of my gun? Well, a spider's silk oozes out its body from things called spinnerets. Hey, why don't I make a web just like a spider? First, the spider makes these long threads. Next, it makes a spiral shape, starting at the inside, like this. Then it makes another spiral, this time from the outside in. This part of the web is made of extra sticky silk. Can you guess why? It's the part of the web that the flies and insects will stick to. I'm afraid my web is a bit messy. Spiders are much better at it. Look at these fellas, carefully building their webs. They're so neat. Now, there you go. Lovely Spidey. When the web is finished, the spider just has to wait for dinner to come along. There you go. You've just caught your dinner. Did you hear my tummy rumbling? All that fishing and web building has made me hungry. No flies on me. I've got my own lunch.